The overall goal of this behavioral experiment is to reduce impulsive preference for food during hypothetical intertemporal choices in women by associating food with errors.
Given the present rise of eating disorders, this neuroscientific method sheds light on the crucial role of self-control during food choice. The main advantage of this technique relies on its easy implementation and instructions by the means of a laptop, even in clinical settings.
Begin by escorting the participant into a quiet room and sitting them in front of a computer. Collect their demographics, including gender, age, level of education, fasting hours, height, and weight. Next, provide the participant with an 11-point Likert scale to collect their self-ratings about feelings of hunger at that moment. Present a slideshow presentation on the computer to randomly display 6 food pictures with high appetitive value in the female population, one at a time. While each food image is on the screen, simultaneously ask the participant to self-rate the motivation to consume that food item at the moment by using an 11-point Likert scale. Finally, collect the rating sheet and select the 2 highest rated food items as stimuli for the error task. Begin by setting up a modified error task.